Volkswagen has done it again, presenting a one-off masterpiece. The ID.3 GTX Fire+Ice. Inspired by the legendary Golf Mk2 Fire and Ice of the 90s, this electric marvel is a tribute to timeless design and future-forward technology. Debuting at the exclusive ID, meeting in Locarno, Switzerland, this stunning electric vehicle marks a collaboration with luxury sports brand BOGNER. The ID.3 GTX Fire+Ice isn't just a car, it's a statement. Check out the exclusive 3-layer electric violet pearl paint. This unique finish infused with special glass beads changes colors based on the light, from deep blue to violet to black. It's a true visual spectacle on wheels. The fiery red anodized roof frame and the geometric Fire+Ice patterns on the sides give this vehicle an unforgettable look. And those 21-inch rims? Pure perfection, with a blue anodized twist that completes the bold aesthetic. Step inside, and the surprises continue. The Fire and Ice theme comes alive with flaming red and ice blue accents split between the driver and passenger sides. Even the pedals are custom, fire for the accelerator and ice for the brake. It's a perfect blend of performance and style. Every detail is inspired by BOGNER's Fire+Ice collection. Quilted seats, laser-engraved patterns, and even webbing from the iconic bags. Open the B-zippers on the seats, and the original 90s Fire+Ice fabric peeks through. How cool is that? But it's not just about looks. The ID.3 GTX Fire+Ice packs a punch with 326 horsepower and a blistering 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.7 seconds. With a range of up to 601 kilometers, this car isn't just fast, it's built for the long haul too. The ID.3 GTX Fire+Ice, an iconic blend of past, present, and future. A true collector's dream, combining Volkswagen's performance legacy with cutting-edge electric innovation. One thing's for sure, you've never seen electric look this cool. Want more details on this one-of-a-kind masterpiece? Hit subscribe and follow us for the latest reviews, walk-arounds, and deep dives into the world of electric vehicles.